Matchbox 5-pack time. I bought this before Christmas and it's taken me this long to get round to unboxing it, but it's finally time. So we got another MBX highway pack. I swear we had one of these recently. I don't know. All I know is I bought this because it was on offer. I think it was like £4, which made it, well, not even £1 per car. Which makes it 80p per car, I think. I'm probably wrong. Which is a pretty good bargain, I must say. So there was a couple of cars in here that are a bit meh, but hey, 80p, can't moan about that. Let's just get in and unbox it. It's been a while. It's actually been a few weeks since I've done anything car related. Oh, problem solved. Let's get a better shot. So, Camaro, long thing, short tall thing, some sort of sheriff mobile, and a Porsche of some sorts. As you can tell, I am very knowledgeable of my car brands. So let's start with this Camaro. We had an orange one of these in a pack recently. This is a 16 Chevy Camaro. Obviously, we've got no roof on this one. Pretty cool, nice full light details. Rear badge. Ooh, Camaro on the number plate there. That's cool. Same again on the front. All the lights and details are pretty awesome. It's really nice. Got tread details on the outsides of the wheels, which looks good. And those wheels they like to use. Pretty cool. Not my go-to car, but it does look nice. The details are very good. Next up, we got a Ford Fairlane. This is pretty cool. Do like my station wagons. Very nice, cool sort of white stripe down the side, white and silver stripe. Plastic front details on this, so they're not been painted or anything. Ah, shame, the back's not been painted either. That's a bit annoying. Oh, and a post. Oh. The wheels are nice, but post and no light details. Next up, we have a Fiat piece of turd. I do not like this at all. Fiat 500X. The X stands for exterminate, kill it, burn it, blow it up. Oh, that's a good idea. Right, moving on. We've got some nice Frontline details. The details are good, I'm not going to lie. That blue paint's very, very glittery, which is pretty cool. Nice rear details as well. No plate on this one, which is a shame. But yeah, I can't begin to tell you how much I detest these things. In fact, I don't like Fiat as a brand at all, with the cars they're bringing out at the minute. So, next up, after ripping into that poor Fiat 500, we have this sheriff car. I want to say it's a Ford. Some sort of old Mustang? I don't know. 93 Ford Mustang. LX SSP. Pretty cool. I do like the colour on this. Sort of dark grey. We got the something County Sheriff. Boone County Sheriff? Should be Boom County Sheriff, but there we are. The wheels on this thing are awesome. They are very cool. Lensed front headlights as well. The weird thing about this one is it hasn't got blue all over it. Usually they make all the windscreen and stuff blue, which means it'd have blue headlights just to make the sirens blue, but they haven't done that. They've opted for clear, which I do like. That's very nice. No rear light details, but the lensing's pretty cool. And lastly, Porsche Boxer. I don't know. No, Porsche Cayman. Where did I get Boxer from anyway? Boxter? I don't know. Porsche Cayman. I do like the colour on this. It's a very interesting sort of goldy bronze. Sort of a brownish colour. It's pretty cool. Nice front headlights. Really, really good details. Got the Porsche logo as well. Nice tinted windows. These wheels again, but in black this time. Details on the back, and even got a number plate there. Very, very tiny. That's so cool how much detail they get on that. Can't focus on it quite so well. That's really cool. So there we have it for the selection of ATP cars. Brilliant. Not gonna lie, some of them not too interested in. Well, actually, to be fair, the only one I'm not interested in is that one. So if we just get rid of that, this is much better. And then these are £1 per car, technically. Even if we just forget this one's existence. Only £1 per car. Brilliant. So there. If I was to rate these, they're already rated. Put that one back there. There we go. Best to worst. Excellent. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Thanks for watching. Do hope you've enjoyed, and please be sure to smash like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.